Hi, it's Lisa. We've been in the kitchen cooking up pumpkin and adding pumpkin spice mix to a lot of different recipes. And one of the recipes that is a little newer to me, but I thought I would try, and I'm sharing with you, is a pumpkin spice smoothie. This morning we have a pumpkin smoothie, and we'll start with a half a cup of milk. You can use non-dairy milk. I like oat milk. It makes it really nice and creamy. You can use regular milk as well if you like. And then we will put in a half a cup of pumpkin puree. A third cup of yogurt. Once again, you can use a non-dairy yogurt if you like. Half a frozen banana. And a scoop of protein powder. I really like the orange ginger flavored protein powder with this because it complements with the pumpkin pie spice. If you want to know how to make your own pumpkin pie spice, check out my recipe above. And a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice will just flavor this up, and 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. It's going to be nice and thick and creamy. You can always add a little bit of extra ice and blend it up and see if you like the consistency. Add a little bit more ice or milk and give it a whir. It smells so creamy and delicious. It's kind of like a pumpkin dreamsicle. Creamy and spicy, and a great way to start the day with a blast of vitamin A. That's good. It's really up to you how you want to play around with this idea of putting pumpkin spice mix into a smoothie. It has a little ice so that it's cool and palatable, but also just transitioning into the winter season when we're getting out of fruit smoothies and more into cooked warm porridges for breakfast. So it's a good transitional recipe, and the spices are warming and digestive, and so this will help kind of ease you into having a more substantial, warmer breakfast. Let me know how you like the recipes and what you would like to see, and any questions you have. I am always available to talk about seasonal eating and spices and how to spice up your life, because that is what I love at Passionfruit Arts. So please subscribe. Hit the notifications button so you know when my new videos come out, you don't miss anything, and enjoy.